Okay, so this is how to create a video that you may want to put onto OneNote. So what I'm doing is making a video about making a video. So we're using QuickTime for making screen recordings. I've got this open on Teacher Collaboration Notebook, and I've got some basic notes how to do it. I'm going to be putting a link to it in here in YouTube when I'm finished. Okay, so when I finish making my video, I'll be putting it up through my YouTube channel. So how does this work? So I went to start with, I went to QuickTime, and when QuickTime is open, usually because I already have it open because I'm making this video, you usually get a dialog box wanting to know what file that you're looking to open. So you click cancel on that, and then you go file and you click on screen recording. So it's grayed out at the moment because I'm currently in the middle of a screen recording. So when the screen recording is finished, so I'll click here and that will stop the screen recording. And then when it's stopped, I'll have a file, I'll give it a name, I'll save it on my desktop here. So then I'll go to my channel. So go to YouTube. So I'm on my own channel for YouTube, and I'll click upload video, and I'll be able to drag it from my desktop in here to the public space where I'll be uploading the video.